If you have an enlarged prostate and you want to get rid of those symptoms of an enlarged prostate, you definitely should watch this video because you are going to learn a more powerful way to shrink your prostate without the use of medicine, just the natural way. Now, dealing with an enlarged prostate in the first case can really be overwhelming, and sometimes the symptoms of an enlarged prostate can affect your quality of life. Those things you enjoy doing, you're not going to be able to do them when you have an enlarged prostate because you're going to be having painful urination, frequent urination, you're going to have urgency, you wake up several times in the night to pee, and sometimes you may actually have leakage of urine even before getting to the bathroom. And the problem is that you keep going to your doctors, and what they will do is to give you some medications to ease those symptoms of an enlarged prostate without addressing the root cause of this problem. So to really solve this problem of an enlarged prostate, you have to understand the mechanism behind an enlarged prostate. Now, more than 50% of men, when they reach the age of 60s, are going to develop an enlarged prostate, and this number actually jumps to 80 to 90% of men when they are above the age of 70. Okay, now enlarged prostate is due to the exposure of those cells of your prostate to this hormone called dihydrotestosterone. Dihydrotestosterone is a potent form of androgen that is actually made from testosterone by this enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. Now, in a healthy normal individuals, only a small amount of testosterone is actually converted into dihydrotestosterone. But as most men start aging, the activity of this enzyme 5-alpha reductase also increases, resulting in high levels of dihydrotestosterone and low levels of testosterone. This is why you see most men who have an enlarged prostate usually have low levels of testosterone in their body, because this enzyme takes their testosterone and converts it into dihydrotestosterone that causes the proliferation of those cells of the prostate that gradually result in the enlargement of your prostate gland. So how can you really solve this problem of an enlarged prostate? And what you can really do in this condition to fix the root cause of this problem is actually by blocking 5-alpha reductase, which is the enzyme that is responsible for the conversion of your testosterone into the potent form of androgen, which is dihydrotestosterone. And this actually made a lot of sense, is because if we can down-regulate this enzyme, that is going to help shrink and enlarge prostate. Now, there are some natural remedies, some science-proven natural remedies that can help block the activity of 5-alpha reductase. There is pumpkin seeds, there is saw palmetto, and tomatoes, which is a great source of lycopene. Now, lycopene is very anti-inflammatory. It can help reduce inflammation in your prostate. That is going to ease those symptoms of an enlarged prostate like painful urination, urgency, frequent urination, and the rest of them. But the best nutrient I would actually recommend if you want to shrink your enlarged prostate is by taking zinc. Zinc is very important for the prostate. And what most people don't actually realize is that of all tissue of the body, the prostate tissue accumulates the highest concentration of zinc than any other parts of the body. That's because zinc helps to regulate the proper functioning of the prostate, including the growth of the prostate. So if you have an enlarged prostate and you take zinc, that is just going to help you shrink your enlarged prostate, okay? Because zinc is anti-androgenic, it can help suppress the activity of 5-alpha reductase. Now, along with zinc, you also have to be taking adequate amount of vitamin D. Vitamin D is also very good for the prostate. It has anti-inflammatory effect as well as anti-proliferative effect. It can help stop the growth of those cells of the prostate that result in the enlargement of your prostate gland. Okay, so by taking zinc and vitamin D, that is going to help shrink and enlarge prostate. All right, thanks for watching.